Today we are going to tell you that how to do a slingshot. Okay, actually my YouTube name is Getting My Love Fans Club, but some interesting characters should be there. So this is the video.
Make a slingshot. So friends, you want to do like this.
Take so much of pots.
5 pots. Like this small. You have no means, you can put a rope and put some Coca-Cola bottles.
Yeah, it's
This. It's not falling, no? Now it's correct. Now I have a caterpillar. Now I'm going to put a shot. It's not. Next one I'm going to take a stone. In 3 chances we can see how much we can do.
yay!
Next one.
Yeah, guys. Now this is the second time slingshot. Wait and watch.
See friends, it won't be you did like this now, but it should be like this. Is not like this. It should be like this for slingshot. Stand now. Can you see how to make a slingshot?
Yay!
In one. Only
In
one
one
bullet.
bullet.
It has gone full. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and please put like button. Please.
Like and share, guys.
And put a comment. You can't mean please put a comment. Okay. Next video I will tell how to make a caterpillar also. Okay. Bye.
Share my channel, subscribe and comment my channel, guys. Bye.